This is a tutorial for the style section of the website. The style section can be accessed right at the top here. Now the style section is used to change your theme and your colors and buttons for your website. The theme basically is all of the text, font, and colors of the text. So if you want to apply something to your entire site, you can use the style section. Keep in mind, however, all of this text, such as in the header and in these content blocks, you can change that text and colors within those individual widgets themselves. However, if you want to apply a completely different style to the entire website, you can just go to the style section and you would simply choose a style you want to apply. So let's scroll down and use this nail salon right here. This has got some, lots of purple. It's got some cursive writing. And it's very different from what we have here. You can see here we have some white text. We have buttons that are kind of purple, but they're different than this nail salon. So when we apply this, you would simply choose this site, and you also have to save and update the site before it'll apply properly. So once you save and update the site, you'll see now we have cursive up here at the top. We have like purple in the background, some flowers. This text is purple with cursive, and the buttons have changed colors, and it did it instantly and automatically. So if I want to do something different like the sushi restaurant, you can apply that and save it. And you'll see now it looks more of like the handwritten text. It's the exact same font as in the sushi template. The buttons are now red with white text, and it's just white text on a black background. And this can be used to change the style and theme of your website with the click of a button.